Hi, I'm Kay Collins and welcome to my kitchen here at Rocky Branch Ranch. So it is fall in the South. It's time to get out our fall decor and our yummy smelling pumpkin candles. How about making something a little tasty with a hint of spice and pumpkin? And how about making it really easy? Because I am not one of these people that likes to spend hours in the kitchen baking. I like something quick and fast. We're going to make a pumpkin chocolate chip cookie. And it's really easy because we're using a cake mix. And you do not have to get out the flour and the baking soda and the salt and all that, because all you do is just open up a box of cake mix. You need a can of pumpkin, and this is your 15-ounce can, and make sure it's not the pumpkin filling but 100% pure pumpkin. We will need some pumpkin spice. So these are the semi-sweet chocolate morsels, and any brand that will work, and you will need a cup of those. So we want to open up our cake mix, and we want to dump it in our bowl here. And then we're going to open up our can of pumpkin. Smells like fall. And we want to dump it in here with our cake mix. 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. You just add it. Just take your eggs here, put those in there. I'm going to put that in that can there. It's all going in the trash anyway. Okay, so once you have that mixed up, you want to add your chocolate chips. Get these out of here. I mean, who doesn't like chocolate, right? We've got those mixed in there. You can see the chocolate chips are in there. Start dipping this out, and you want about 2 tablespoon ball. If you have an ice cream scooper, or cookie scooper, you could use that. You want to do these probably about 2 inches apart to give them room to spread out while they cook. This smells yummy. And these are great to take to some of those fall parties that you're having. These would be great to make around Thanksgiving, along with all your other desserts like pumpkin pie and pecan pie and all that. And the kiddos will really like and appreciate cookies at any occasion like that. Okay, so now we want to pop these in the oven. And I've already preheated it to 350 degrees. And we want to set our timer for 9 to 11 minutes. And you don't want them to get overly done. You want to look at them, and when they look just a little golden on the edges, it's time to take them out. So we will wait on those to cook, and then we will get back to the frosting. This is it's called Rich and Creamy Cream Cheese Frosting by Betty Crocker. And it's sweet, but it's not overly sweet. And that's what I like. I don't like a terribly sweet cream cheese. But you can take this, and if you can actually put it in a gallon bag like this, and then you would want to just cut just a very little corner right here and use it as your piping to put your frosting on. If you don't want it quite this thick, what you can do is you can take it and use a mixer on it to add a little bit of air and make it just a little more fluffy. So I've got my frosting in here, and I'm just going to mix it for about maybe 30 seconds. Okay, so look at that. It's just, see the difference if you just fluff it just a little bit? So it just gives it a better consistency when you want to pipe it out on your cookies and make pretty frosting on there. So my timer just went off, and these actually cooked for 11 minutes. And look at that. Okay, so we're back, and it's been 5 minutes, a little over, and I'm going to just transfer these over to this dish, and we will start piping the icing on there. So by using the mixer for the frosting, it made it lighter and airier and not so thick. And now we want to add it to a Ziploc bag. And close it. And then you'll get all the frosting down to the end, and you'll begin to just do some little piping on it. And it doesn't have to be fancy or anything. You're just doing your own little creation here, and it's going to give it that yummy cream cheese pumpkin flavor that just tastes so good together. Pumpkin and cream cheese just go together. You can also take the cream cheese frosting and put it in the microwave for about maybe 30 seconds if you wanted to. You know, try that, and melt it and just glaze it on the cookies if you wanted to with a brush or something, if you didn't want to pipe it on there. But after I get these piped up, I'm going to eat one of these. So I'm going to try one of these. So good. I mean, so good. The consistency is, it's almost like a muffin, like a pumpkin muffin, but it's a cookie. I mean, it's so moist, and so just that fall pumpkin spice with the cream cheese. It tastes like you're eating a muffin, but it's actually a cookie. By the way, if you want to, you can put these in like a gallon size Ziploc bag, and you can freeze them for up to a month and just pull them out as you want them. So yeah, you can do that too. Thank you again for joining me in my kitchen here at Rocky Branch. So don't forget to do a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also share this with your friends, and leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know if you like these cookies. Thank y'all.